Hello students, today will be discuss about Othello as a domestic tragedy. Versatility of Shakespeare is visible in almost all his dramas. He left no phase of life untouched. All human expressions are visible in his plays. For example, we analyze Othello for its various colors of real life. Othello is decorated with multicolored material such as state affairs, war, jealousy, conjugal love, revenge, romance and fantasy with killing. All these expressions are found in real life. We are well familiar with incidents depicted in Othello and somewhere we experience in our day-to-day life. Doubt is the key source of this entire tragedy. Although Othello is a strong hero of the play, yet he is victim of weak character that he doubts his faithful wife's pious character. The doubt in his mind created by Iago drives him crazy with mercilessly murders his faithful wife Desdemona. The very theme of Othello is genre drama of real life, where wives are always loyal and faithful and husbands are jealous and sustain suspicion in their heart. Every scene depicting Othello and Desdemona's conjugal relationship is overall domestic. In Cyprus, we see Othello and Desdemona kissing each other after undertaking a stormy voyage from Venice. Othello passionately kisses Desdemona, and this scene attracts domestic joy of conjugal relationship. As we have earlier discussed that we find a glimpse of Elizabeth era in Shakespeare's play. It is noteworthy that in this age marital affairs were on top. Marital life is the most discussed theme in the works of his contemporaries. Marital affairs were used for comedy, but as in real life, they are both facets of domestic matters. Good and bad, the conclusions may vary. Shakespeare used both standards of domestic life. He utilized the very theme for these comedies and tragedies as well. In Othello, he depicted the dark side of this theme. Shakespeare's other great tragedies like Hamlet, King Lear and Macbeth deal with issues that affect the well-being of entire nation, whereas Othello is domestic tragedy with a timeless theme. Like Shakespeare's other tragic heroes, Othello is not from the royal dynasty, yet he is no less in dignity from the other heroes. But his fatal flaw brought up him from top to bottom. The life of a tragic hero affects the audience, therefore he must possess common human behavior. Othello is enriched with other subject matters, but Othello and Desdemona are more concentrated figures to be presented to domestic life. The story dealing with private lives of common people is capable of exciting the feelings of audience. Although the play focus on the tragic consequences of sexual jealousy, we must not ignore the wider worldly or political dimension of Othello tragedy. देखिए इस ट्रेजिडी में क्या है, एक तरीके से जेलिसी दिखाई गई है। जो ओथेलो नाम का जो विलेन होता है वो बहुत ज़्यादा जेलिसी फील करता है और वो इसका बदला उस डेस्डेमोना से निकालता है। ओके, Othello is proud of this profession and his reputation as a soldier. Othello में क्या होता है, एक सोल्जर होता है, is an essential part of hero's conception of himself. Othello's desire for revenge is prompted by this need to recover his reputation. As a general, Othello weighs his reputation and honor more than his wife's chastity. When Othello fears that he has been cuckolded, he doubts himself and is forced to accommodate a new role, that of duped husband, which his pride will not allow him to confess. It is possible to argue that Othello's marriage is a political act. A black soldier marrying a white aristocrat cannot be viewed in any other way according to the views of the time. In many of his other dramas, Shakespeare has brought out personal level of cruelty. Yet it is in Othello where the domestic tragedy occupies so much importance. A major part of the play that happens in terms of tragic source resides in the domestic realm. For his own part, Othello suffers from the inability to recognize that the domestic realism is apart from that of public. He transfers the insecurity and doubt that is the attribute of his public life and his domestic realm. Othello fails to understand that Desdemona may not be a replication of this social and political world. On the other hand, Desdemona's silence and inability to recognize Othello's external reality supports her own domestic tranquility. Leaving her maternal realm, Desdemona surrenders herself to Othello's domestic realm. So she is so much dedicated to the conjugal relationship that her voice seems to be left behind. In this domestic sadness of silence, her fate is sealed, for she can no longer advocate for himself and have no one else to advocate for her. In both settings, Shakespeare constructs thematic and literary tragic condition of domesticity that trap both Othello and Desdemona. The tragedy of Othello is not dramatically proven the tragedy of its hero to make it is a sublime, but it is a tragedy of hero representing common man that nowhere affects state affairs but deals with personal. Othello is not only a domestic play that creates pity and emotions in the audience, but it is the depiction of fate and of true lovers who act like puppets in the hands of opportunities. Okay. Othello, we learn, has recently married Desdemona, the beautiful daughter of a senator named Brabantio. Desdemona's beauty was the heartthrob of millions of colored darlings of her country, but she rejected everyone and married Othello, who had no outward beauty but was rather black and ugly. Rodrigo also loved Desdemona and wanted to win her hand in marriage. He was often rebuked by Desdemona's father for loitering about his doors. It is this foolish desire of Rodrigo that makes him a fool in the hands of Iago, who keeps on giving him the false hope that he will enjoy Desdemona one day. Only if he keeps his purse filled, thus befooling him all the time, Iago freely used his purse. Now, executing his plan against Othello, Iago asked Rodrigo to awake Brabantio by shouting loudly and then informed him that his beautiful daughter Desdemona has eloped with Othello. Iago accompanies Rodrigo to Brabantio's house because Brabantio won't believe Rodrigo. No doubts Desdemona's father is shocked at the news. Now, having played his role here, the cunning craftsman Iago hurries to accompany Othello and warn him of the impending calamity as a well-wisher. The old man is beside himself with rage and shock, and the first thought that strikes his mind is that his daughter is bewitched. So he seeks the help of a number of persons and led by Rodrigo and goes to seek Othello. Othello has already been warned by his ancient Iago, and so he is fully prepared to face the whole situation, and he actually faces it with the dignified self-possession. Then the wronged father goes to the duke to seek justice.